Hey guys, I'll be making the creamy avocado jalapeno dip that went viral after Cardi B posted this on TikTok, which has gotten over 37 million views at the time of posting this video.
Saw this dip on Instagram and I had to try it first. 2 avocados. Don't ask me why my fucking avocados look like this. It's hard to cut these with these nails. Anyway. Look how beautiful that looks. They're good.
Cardi B got this recipe from Fredster's, so I went over to his account and got the exact recipe directly from the source. And now I'll be sharing it with you and give you my taste review on it at the end of this video, so stay tuned. And here are the ingredients needed. We'll be using 2 riped avocados, a 12-ounce can of sliced jalapenos, 1 cup of sour cream, 2 blocks of cream cheese, 3 lime juice, a chicken bouillon cube, garlic powder, black pepper, a handful of fresh cilantro, and Fredster recommends Doritos Nacho Cheese Chips with this, but any tortilla chips could do as well. Now let's get started and put this together. We'll first cut the 2 riped avocados in half and remove the pit. And with a spoon, I'll scoop out the avocado into a blender. Now I'll add 1 cup of sour cream. You could also use Mexican Crema, which you can find at any Mexican supermarket. And now add 2 blocks of cream cheese. There's 1 block, and there's the second block. Now open 1 12-ounce can of sliced jalapenos. And we're gonna dump everything that is in the can, juice and all. And it also has some slices of carrots in there. This is what it looks like so far. Now cut 3 limes in half, and we'll squeeze out all of its lime juice. Limes are harder to juice out by hand, so it helps out if you have a citrus squeezer. Here's how it looks like with the lime juice added. Add in 1 cube of chicken bouillon. There it is on the bottom of the screen. Add 1 handful of fresh cilantro in there. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Now ready to blend all this together. Because there are so much ingredients, with a tall kitchen utensil, you may need to push down some of the ingredients at the top into the mixture so they all get blended together. And continue blending until it looks like this. And it's all done. I'll scoop all of this out into a large bowl. I have to say, the amount of this recipe is enough to cover a house party gathering. It's a lot. If you're planning to just make this for a small household, maybe 4 or less, then I'd suggest halving all the ingredients listed. I'll put in the recipe ingredients for the full and half size in the video description below. Grabbing the Doritos Nacho Cheese Chips and onto my review for trying this for the first time. Let's get to it. We're gonna test out this creamy avocado jalapeno dip posted by Cardi B. Recipe is from Fredster. So, got the nacho cheese chips and the dip. Okay, here we go. Here we go. It smells a little jalapeno-ish with lime. All right, let's give this a try. Very creamy with the sour cream and the cream cheese. Really good. It's not spicy. It's a good avocado, cilantro, jalapeno taste. Really good. Yeah, it's really good. It's a good dip. It's creamy. Yeah, it's not spicy at all. There's no spice. So I don't know why some other people said it was spicy. It's not. It's kind of like a creamy avocado, cilantro ranch kind of dip. I don't taste so much of the jalapeno. Just a tiny bit, but more of the avocado and cilantro. Yeah, this is really good. You cannot just eat one. You gotta have multiple. Yeah, this is really good. I give this dip recipe a 10 out of a 10. All right, thank you so much, Cardi B and Fredster, for sharing this recipe. If you guys haven't tried it, try it out. Their post had a lot of views, so it's pretty popular. And I agree, it's really good. Try it out. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Aloha.